We do air, land, sea and space. No other company does that. My name is Aaron Camp. I am an Executive Officer and Chief of Staff for the CEO's office in Icom Incorporated, headquarter company based in Osaka, Japan. It's the same original company. We haven't been bought. The founder is still coming into the office at 95 years old, offering advice on innovation. We also offer the 4 or 5 main radio categories as an amateur, land mobile, marine, airband and scanners. On the side we also have wireless LAN products and networking products. The history we have, a history of innovation. We have almost 600 patents that are currently registered and valid. That is all under the Icom brand. The DSTAR amateur radio system, that was the first digital amateur radio system. We were also able to develop our NXDN 6.25 kilohertz digital protocol for the US business industry market. Most people said it was technically impossible to achieve 6.25 kilohertz. However, because we did the DSTAR, we already knew we could do it before everybody else. We have the ability to transfer features or technologies across categories. I think the combination and the most interesting, and it's just plain cool, is what we call our VEPG4. Basically a protocol translator gateway product. So an analog radio can talk to a SIP telephone can talk to our satellite radio, the satellite radio can talk to an analog marine radio. We're a company that's been around 60 plus years, an innovative company. We have the major radio categories all under the one brand. We manufacture everything in Japan, so the quality versus the cost performance is exceptional. We're renowned for very rugged products, and all in all, we do air, land, sea and space. No other company does that, so I think you should choose Icom because Icom is simply the best.